Updating the SP-404 is a pretty simple process. You want to navigate to this page, which I've included the link in the description of the video. You want to scroll all the way down. This actually got some details how to check what version you have. Right now it's 501, but in future versions you'll see a different version. We'll scroll down to the bottom and just go ahead and click I agree to the terms, download the file. You're going to download a zip file, and after you get that zip file, you want to unzip it and get the bin files that are in there and put those on the SD card. Now, if you have a previous SD card, you don't want to keep the original bin files in there, or you're just going to confuse it. So take whatever bin files that you have that are on the SD card right now, take those out, put those on there, and then go from there. All right, so now you're on the SP-404. You want to power it off. Make sure you have your secure digital card in there. Hold down the shift button, hit the power button, and then you're going to see these applications right here. It'll say update or found, update or found. Are you sure? Hit enter by pushing that button right there. It's going to update. It's going to do its thing. I fast forward this time, so it may go longer than what you're seeing in the actual video. Okay, once you see it say okay, you can completely power it off, power it back on, and now you'll have the latest updated firmware for your Roland SP-404 Mark II. Enjoy!